Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another one of my vlogs. This one is a week in my life in New York City. So I just uploaded one where I was traveling in Michigan and Chicago, and I was gone for a long time, so I kind of did a travel with me. I'm gonna lay back. Let's get comfortable. I kind of did like a travel with me week in my life, but this week I'm back in New York. I have a lot of appointments to catch up on since I was just on vacation. Today I'm actually shooting with this shoe company. They're a boot and sneaker company, which basically means I have to pretend that it's fall because we're shooting for their fall collection, which means I have to wear like jeans, jackets, sweaters, and boots, and I'm not kidding, 90 degrees out today, so I'm not excited to melt my face off. So that is what I'm doing today. And then right after that appointment, I am gonna go get a facial. I figured I just traveled for so long. Skin Laundry does like the first facial free, so I figured I'm gonna go try it. I feel like I've been traveling, my skin's very just like congested, and I hate like the feeling after I travel. Oh my god, my arm's getting so tired. I lost like my mini tripod. So yeah, I'm gonna get a facial after the shoot, and I figured it was perfect timing because I'm probably gonna melt like my face off out there in 90 degrees because the whole entire shoot's outside. They said plan for 4 hours, so I'm like, great. But no, these shoots are usually really fun. I will check in with you guys in a little bit. Wait, guys, look how cool this elevator is. I'm at my first appointment. It's like kind of trippy. It's cool. Hi guys. Okay, I still can't find my little tripod, and that makes my life so much easier, so I just put you guys in a box right now. So I just got home from the shoot, and I am like not okay. I wore this to and from the shoot, that's why I'm in the same outfit. I have like an hour to kill before my facial. My makeup, I don't know if you could tell, is like off my face. It was so hot out there, but it was really fun. We did 19 different pairs of boots, and it was 18 different pairs of boots and 9 outfit changes. So I had to bring all the clothes too. So I lugged like this huge duffel bag there, and yeah, I was pretty much dying. But yeah, I'm just gonna relax for a little, probably answer a bunch of emails, make myself lunch, and then I will head to my facial. Alright, so I just got home from my facial. I asked the woman if I could like set up my camera and record, and she said no. Not really sure why. I don't know if she didn't want to be in front of the camera. I don't know. So I couldn't record it, which I was sad about. But I mean, obviously my skin's really irritated right here where I usually break out. She said that's normal, it should go down in a few hours. But the rest of my skin looks really glowy and healthy, so I figured I would try it. Your first one's free. It's at Skin Laundry. This is, that's like their promotion. I think they're usually $75 because it was literally 15 minutes. But the first one was free, so I figured I would try it out. But hopefully the redness dies down and, you know, I don't have like a weird reaction or something. So yesterday I had that one shoot, which went really well. It was with this sneaker and boot company, but I was dying of heat because I had to pretend like it was fall and winter, and it's like 85 degrees here in New York right now, so I was dying, but it was really fun. Today I'm shooting with this real estate company, and they actually own a building in New Jersey, so I'm taking an Uber there at 2 o'clock. I think it's like 1:40 right now, so 1:45, so I'm gonna leave here at 2. This I will bring my camera because I'm gonna vlog it so you guys can see, because I figured that was interesting, kind of like a real estate building rather than yesterday was just like me taking photos on the streets. I figured today would be a little bit more interesting for you guys so you could see kind of this apartment building. I looked it up online, it looks really sick. It's in a part of New Jersey that's really close to the city too, so hey, maybe I'll move there eventually if they give me a discount. But yeah, it looked really nice, so I'm just gonna go there. We're gonna shoot some looks, probably on their rooftop or something if they have that. But we'll see, and then I'll bring you guys with me. So that's my update as of now. Okay. All right guys, so I just got to the building. It is beyond stunning. The views are insane. So I'm gonna give you guys a tour right now. This is what, the 3-bedroom?
3-bedroom motorhome. Yes.
And how many bathrooms?
2.
Okay, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna give you a tour from where you just walk in. All right, so you walk in here and you walk into this beautiful kitchen. Love the island. So pretty. And then here's kind of like the dining room and then the living room. And these views are insane. You see the whole Manhattan skyline. Is this part of it? I could go out?
Yes.
Oh my god. This is so pretty. So yeah, you see all of Manhattan. Okay, and then you want me to go this way?
Yeah, this is the
master bedroom. Okay, so then in here's the master bedroom. Oh my god, the views, I can't even imagine. They have their own entrance to the balcony. I couldn't think of it. This is so pretty. Okay, and then I'll show you the closet. Very important part of an apartment. This is beautiful. And then this is the master bath. Oh my god, this tub. I need this apartment. It's so cute. Okay, and then let's go to the other ones. Oh my god, I love these little stools too, and like the little counter. Little bar over here. Okay, and then, is this a bathroom?
This is a closet.
Oh, closet. Oh, it's pretty big. Okay. Is this a closet as well?
This is the one we have. For each apartment we have dryers and
that's
washer
so
residence.
nice. Oh my god, I need that. Okay, and then
This is our second bathroom.
the second bathroom. Such a good size too. So pretty. Okay, and then this is what, like, oh my god, I love this. Everyone has like little entrance to the balcony too. Let's see their closet. Oh, I like this closet way better. So nice. Yeah, but like how perfect would this be as like a home office? And then they have their own bathroom. Oh wait, maybe not. Oh no, this is just a closet. So perfect for like a little at-home office. So yeah, I am gonna check out the rest of the building to see their amenities and stuff. I'll obviously show you guys, but this building is stunning.
1.4 million.
Okay, so this unit is actually 1.4 million.
It's already sold.
Oh, it already sold. But I'm sure they have so many others like this. It's so nice in here. Ah, one day. Guys, this is the rooftop. So pretty. Oh. And they have like barbecues over here, places to do yoga. Okay, this is their gym. Looks so nice. Looks really big too. Oh, all right, we're gonna go in. We're gonna see. Oh my god, this is so nice. I love having a gym in like your own building. It's just, oh my god guys, they have a golf simulator. What? That's so cool. Should I try it? This is so cool. Like, okay. Casual. Yoga room. It smells incredible in here. And now we're going, they have a sauna. It's so nice.
We have two, one dry, one steam.
Oh my god. Can I move in? Look at this pool. This is so nice because you could swim here like all year round. Oh my god. I need to live here. So we are on their penthouse floor now. This is a 2-bedroom. So this one's honestly stunning as well. I love that chandelier. They have a little counter over here. Ugh, I want a house like this, an apartment like this. So let's see the view from here. I feel like this view is even better. Yeah. Oh my god, it's so stunning. I had to show you the bedroom and the little kids room. It's because this is like a model one, so they have it decorated obviously. Little dining area. So over here I guess is the first bathroom. And this is all like Italian marble. So it's like one slab. So it's not like cut up or anything. It's gorgeous. Oh my god, you scared me. I didn't see you there. Okay, here is the baby's nursery. How adorable. This like makes me want to have a kid. Hold on, look at the chandelier. Like I want my baby to grow up here. And like once again, the view is insane. And then there's this huge closet in here. Which is so nice. Oh god, it's like so spacious. Alright, and now let's go to the master bedroom. God, it's stunning. I just can't get over the views. The views are like unbeatable. I love all this bedding too. And then in the bathroom as well, the marble in here is gorgeous. And it's all one slab, so it wasn't cut or anything, which is like amazing. And same with this tub. It's all one piece of marble. And then my favorite part is this mirror because it's an LED light. So to do your makeup in here would be insane. So good, look how good the lighting is. Definitely gonna take a selfie in there. Double bath, double sinks. Ah, so nice in here. Did I show you the closet? I don't think I did. Really decent sized closet. Love it. All right guys, so that was a really fun shoot that you guys just got to see. So basically they just wanted me to come in to kind of take photos in their new apartments and kind of give a little tour for my YouTube channel and stuff. But I like to show you guys that stuff anyway. I feel like a lot of you guys are very curious about New York City apartments and what they look like, and especially ones that are like in luxury buildings. So I thought it was a win-win situation, but I will check back in with you guys in a little bit. Good morning. Just doing some laundry. I have so much white clothes. Oh, I feel like I shouldn't put this in with white. A little sock. So yeah, it's like 8 a.m. I just woke up. I'm gonna do laundry. I have a bunch of stuff today. Or some laundry, gonna make breakfast, and then I have a bunch of appointments today, and then I'm gonna do my makeup, and then I'll show my face because right now I look scary. I have like pimple cream on and just the whole works. So I'm just gonna do this now, answer some emails, make breakfast, and then you guys will see me in a sec. Hi guys, so I'm not really sure where I left off on this vlog per usual, but I just filmed a Princess Polly clothing try on haul, so that's what I've been doing this morning, just like catching up on a bunch of emails. I'm gonna go shoot with a friend now, but she pushed it back a half hour, which actually worked in my favor because I like to film videos before I go out and sweat my ass off. So yeah, that was nice. I got to film now, and now I'll go shoot with her. This is like a really adorable dress from ASOS. It's a little bit big on me, so I'm gonna clip the back because I just ordered the smaller size, but whatever, I wanted to shoot it. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go shoot with a friend now. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here because I just want to get it up for you guys. This was just like a very casual vlog, a week in my life. Thank you guys so much for Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video.